Hello, Bring a Trailer on YouTube. My name is Bernard and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is the absolute cold start video of the 2002 Toyota 4Runner with 80,000 miles on it. It's absolutely a gorgeous vehicle. Sorry, correction, it's 2000, not 2002. My apologies. The dummy lights work. This thing has not been turned on in probably a good 10 days. It's been sitting in the same spot, so. Fires right up, no problem. The seatbelt light flashing and the door, the jar light on.